In this video, we'll answer the question, how do I migrate content using the bundles feature in Fusion Analytics Warehouse? Note that you must have the service administrator role to successfully complete this sprint. In your Fusion Analytics Warehouse instance, click the navigation menu and select Console. Within the console, click Bundles under Application Administration. If you already have content bundles ready to migrate, click the Actions menu for that bundle and select Export. This will download a file to your local desktop. Log into the Fusion Analytics environment that you want to migrate the content to and navigate to Bundles. Click Import. Drag and drop the file you just downloaded and click Import. Once the bundle is imported into the new environment, click the Actions menu and select Deploy. Verify that this is the right content bundle you want to deploy and click Deploy. This will schedule your bundle deployment. Your content bundle deployment should be completed in a few minutes. You have just learned how to migrate content using the bundles feature in Fusion Analytics Warehouse. My name is Nawang Gamso from the Oracle Analytics Product Strategy team. Thank you for watching.